Pacific greetings. Did you know that the Pacific Islands pay some of the highest rates in the world when it comes to sending money back to their families? That's not right, is it? But don't worry, SendMoneyPacific is back. SendMoneyPacific is the official money comparison service for the Pacific Islands, supported by the Australian and New Zealand governments. In 3 easy steps, you can compare more than 40 providers and save more money for your family. First, choose your country's flag. Second, choose from either $200 or $500 to get the best indication of how much money you will save. Third, select the country you are sending money from, either Australia or New Zealand. Your best matches to save money will appear instantly. Or, if you prefer, you can find your fastest matches. Click on the link of your best provider to send money through them directly. Select more matches to see more of your best matches. You can save up to $60 on a single $500 transaction. So don't forget to check your best matches regularly. Subscribe through our website to get your latest rate information, now updated weekly. You can also follow and like SendMoneyPacific on Facebook.